Hello my friends. Alright, let's get to the next part, which is landscape cutter, which means if you click on wherever you want, it cuts it for you. But first let me delete this one, and here flatten all the terrain. That's it, and we have our project here, right? Alright, and now again click on place here, landscape cutter, and I'm gonna set it here, move it here, very good, and make it bigger as size as our project, just like that. And you can click and hold on each dot on the corner to make the size bigger or smaller, and you can move it as well. Let me move it a little bit upper, and that's it. If I zoom in, as you can see, let me show it to you here. The landscape is cut here. See, we don't have any landscape there in that area. We have landscape here, but here in the red zone, yes, we don't have it. Well, that's it. It doesn't have any special things anymore. It just helps you to cut your landscape. Yes, that's it. Alright, let's get to the next part, which is measure. Yes, measure. Let me zoom in. Let's go into our project and then show it how it works. Okay, click on it, and for example, I'm gonna select this corner to this corner, and as you can see, it shows you the measure between these two corners, and each corner that you like to select, even it's not a corner you can select on the wall, it doesn't matter. But when you click on a specific place, it's better to understand the measures of your project. It is very good. It helps you in the engineering of your project. Well, it shows you the angles, the length, and the width. Yes, it's so cool. It helps you a lot to check your models, especially when you don't know the scale and you have a file. You can use this tool to check what the dimensions look like, and when you have a client who wants to know the measure of the floor to the ceiling, or you may not have software that allows you to measure, or you're not able to reopen the file, but this tool can help you a lot. That's it. Deselect, and let me select here. As you can see, we have some options here. You can change the color, yes, whatever you like to choose, and even you can show it after you render it. It is so useful when you want to present your project, and you can choose the layer, whatever layer you want to choose. For example, layer 3. As you saw, I turned it off and then turn it on again. And when I select this one, we have the specific options for each corner that we have there. Okay, let's delete it here and here as well. Alright, let's get to the next part, which is reflection control. But before that, let me tell you something. As you see this warning sign under some tools that we have here, it just gives you some report. For example, we don't have it for billboard. Well, as you can see, some of them has and some of them doesn't. For example, this one says only 2 landscapes cutters can be placed. Alright, let me show it to you what it means. If I zoom out and set another landscape cutter here, we are not able to set another one as we have two of them. See, that's it, and it helps you a lot to know that. And this one, reflection control, you can only set one of it. Okay, let me explain that what it is exactly, reflection control. Alright, let me zoom in to show it better. Very good. For example, we have these glasses here. Yes. And if I go to the materials category, I will explain it later completely. But here we need to talk about it. Okay, after you click on it, glass here, yes. And we have a folder here which is architectural glasses. Yes, let me find the best one. For example, not this one. We have this option, glass by default. Let me choose a color for it to see it better. For example, this one is okay. Yes, that's it. Well, reflectivity should be at the maximum amount, and it shows us the background, which is the sky here. After that, I'm gonna go to the nature category and set some trees here. For example, this tree, it doesn't matter. Put it here and put some here. Let me click here. Very good. And let's see it shows the reflection of these trees or not. Nope. Let me put more. That's it. Alright, as you can see, it doesn't show the reflection of the trees. It shows only the reflection of the background, which is the sky and the train landscape, which it is by default. And you know, to activate the reflection for these glasses or ions that have reflection on themselves, we should set this reflection control. As you can see, we can see the reflection of trees now on the glasses. And there is a point that I should say it to you, which is this reflection control as the warning sign said to us that we are able to set only one of reflection control, not anymore. So the reflection is for all the objects and items that have reflection. See, and it even this glass, which is on the back of the house, it shows us the reflection of the trees, while there were not any trees in front of it. Okay, when you click on photo, let me click on it to show it to you here. Yes, and if you go to the reflection part, you can set a reflection for each part, not generally. For example, here I'm gonna add this glass to show the reflection of the trees, to show the reflection that whatever there is in front of it. But for the reflection control, it is used for all the items. It is very important. Please pay attention to it. It is worked generally, not in details. Well, you can use it in a big and humongous project, and you have some items which are far away from your project and you want their reflection on your glasses and whatever you have. Alright, that's it for this section, and I see you next time.